Let's talk about the types of orders we commonly see in day trading: limit, stop, stop limit, and market orders. We'll start with the long side. The most well-known order among the general public is the market order. It's as simple as pressing the buy button and it immediately buys at the asking price. But as a day trader with a strategy, you usually avoid market orders because you can't control the price you are buying at. The first step, depending on your playbook and your approach, is to decide whether you want to buy the dip, meaning you buy when the price pulls back, or buy the breakout, which means buying when the price moves upward. Let's start with a buy limit order that allows you to buy when the price pulls back. For this example, let's say the price is at $10.50. You're expecting a pullback and you want to buy 10 shares if the price is at 10. So you place a limit order at $10, and when the price drops to $10, you become the owner of 10 shares. Now, if you want to buy when the price breaks out a significant level, then you use a buy stop order. And this order will be triggered only if the price reaches the specific level. But you have to be careful, because if you're trading small caps, for instance, the price might go up really quickly. And in that case, you might be filled at a price well above your stop order. That's why it's better to use a stop limit order, which restricts the fill to a certain range. For example, if the price is at $9.99 and you want to buy at 10, you could set a stop limit order between 10 and 10.10, and you will only be filled inside this range. The downside is that you might be filled only partially if the price goes really quickly above your upper limit. All right, now you own 10 shares. Let's talk about your target and your stop loss orders. When you enter your initial buy order, you had the option to create a bracket order. A bracket orders include two additional orders that become active only once the initial order has been filled. And these are typically your target and your stop loss. The target is a sell limit order placed above your entry price, and the stop loss is a sell stop order placed below your entry price. The target and the stop loss can be adjusted at any time. Initially, the stop loss is here to protect you by limiting your loss to an amount that you are comfortable with. For example, if you bought 10 shares at $10 each, your investment is $100. If you are willing to risk no more than 10%, you'd set your stop loss at $9. If the price drops, your stop loss will be triggered at $9, resulting in a $10 loss. A stop loss can also be used to lock in some profit. If the price moves in your favor and reaches $10.50, for instance, you might adjust your stop loss at $10.40, securing at least $4 in profit. Now, the target order, as you will likely have guessed, is triggered when the price goes up to your predefined level. Both the target and the stop loss orders can be for fewer shares or split in multiple orders. For instance, you can decide to sell 5 shares at $10.50, 3 shares at $10.80, and maybe 1 share at $11. To sum up, when you buy, a market order is executed immediately. A limit order is executed if the price drops at your specified level. A stop order is executed if the price rises to a specific level. And a stop limit order works exactly like a stop order, but only fills in your specified range. To sell, you place a target order to maximize your profit, and a stop loss order to limit your loss or to secure some profit. The same types of orders apply when you short a stock. You just have to reverse the logic of the price movement. For instance, a sell short stop order will be executed if the price drops below the stop price. Understanding these different types of orders is crucial to becoming a successful day trader. So take the time to learn them and practice.